Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below and let me know what you are going to be cooking this week and if you are going to pick any of these items up at Walmart. All right, so first we're going to do the meal plan. So I'm working night shift next week, so literally up in the air depending on night shift. So Sunday we're going to have shake and bake pork chops with roasted potatoes because we have those red potatoes that we bought a couple of weeks ago that we really need to cook, so we have to make those. Last week we did not make any Rocky Mountain chicken, so we're going to have that with some broccoli and zucchini. Tuesday's going to be leftovers from Sunday and Monday. And then literally Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, literally all up in the air because I work 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. So we'll have to figure that out. But anyways, so we're going to start over here. And we picked up the Great Value thick sliced bacon. This is the bacon that I absolutely love. If I can't go to Sam's and get the bulk, I always get thick sliced bacon and Great Value kind because I think it's just the best. Fruit wise, we got some strawberries and they looked really good. Like they've been looking really good the past couple of weeks. We got some bananas, so I finally got some bananas that actually looks green. I like getting them green because I don't like spotty bananas, I guess you could say. So I picked this up. We got some Parmesan cheese. So these been out for like a couple of weeks. They only had like the big tub for like $5. And we don't really eat a lot of Parmesan cheese. We do have a lot of Alfredo though, but it's like sparingly. So we picked up that. We picked up some Cracker Barrel cheese. These are the sliced cheese, and this is actually on Ibotta. You get 75 cents back from Ibotta, so make sure you go and get that if you love the Cracker Barrel. I love it, so. Jared picked up the Crest mouthwash. He still has mouthwash, but he wanted to pick up some more just whenever he runs out, I guess, so he picked that up. Then we picked up a half gallon of milk because we were running low. Jared picked up the Mountain Dew Frostbite. Apparently this is new. I don't know because I don't drink Mountain Dew. I rarely drink it. But he picked this up and he's going to try it out, I guess. Snack-wise, because, you know, I'm working late, so I had to pick up my chips. These are my favorite chips, the Flamin' Hot Crunchy Cheetos. Let me know if these are your favorite too because they are great. And then I picked up some tortilla chip dippers because I'm actually going to make some pizza dip. Now, if you haven't made pizza dip before, it's literally like a layer of cream cheese and then pizza sauce, cheese, like mozzarella cheese, and then like any toppings you want. So I'm going to put like mushrooms and the rest of the pepperonis that we have, and we're going to eat that. So we got the tortilla chips for that. Sweet and salty pieces. I was actually looking for the hot sauce flavor. So I usually buy this at the gift shop sometimes when they have it, but not the sweet and salty piece. Like this is really good. It really is. But I always pick up the hot sauce, so I might as well just try this out again. So I picked that up. Coffee wise, because I always forget to drink it while I'm on night shift. So I just picked up one. But this is the 4-2 Energy Coffee Organic Vanilla Latte. So it's like really big. It's 2 cups. 2 cups of coffee. So definitely going to need that to stay up. Jared wanted some Gouda cheese. Gouda is amazing. The other cheese we got was the mozzarella cheese for the pizza dip. We got some creamy cream cheese frosting. So I picked this up because I'm actually going to try my hand at making homemade cinnamon rolls. So I just picked up some cream cheese for the frosting because I really don't want to make icing. So mixed veggies is a can of mixed veggies for the Great Value. We're actually going to make some fried rice whenever you're watching this on Sunday. We made this fried rice on Saturday. So we picked 1 can up for that. Philadelphia cream cheese for the pizza dip. And Jerry doesn't like the Great Value. He always tells me I have to buy the name brand for the Great Value because he said it tastes different. I haven't picked this up in a while, but this is the Sargento Balance Break. So I got the one that has the sharp white cheddar cheese, the cashews, and the raisins. So this is a 3-pack. Absolutely love these. These are great breakfast snacks for me. So I picked that up, and that's actually going to be for my night shift snack. Had to pick up some butter because I need it for the cinnamon rolls and for plenishing because I think we only have like 3 sticks. So I picked up another block of that. Let's do drinks. So drinks, as always, we always get it on Sundays. So we got Pepsi. I got the Pepsi. Jared bought three mangoes. And he already drank one on the way home. And then he bought his sister one. And then he said he needed another one for in the morning. All right, we needed some parsley. So Great Value brand seasonings. Always the best for me. We got a zucchini for one of our recipes this week. And then I wanted an avocado because I wanted to eat it with my scrambled eggs one day next week. And then last but not least, we got some toothpaste. Now, I've never heard of this. Jared picked this up, so he's going to be using this. I have no idea, but yeah, if you ever use that, let me know how it is. And then I got the Aqua Fresh, so this was $1.78. And then Ibotta had $1 off, or a cash back for $1, making this only like 78 cents. So make sure you go and pick that up. And I don't know how many redeems you can do on this. Usually it's like 5, but I don't know. It's probably just 1 this time. But yeah, pick up Aqua Fresh, you guys. All right, you guys, I hope y'all have a great week. And this is the whole haul, and I will link the total from the beginning and then at the end if you would like that. And then all the prices were displayed for you, so you will better understand how much everything costs in Alabama. And let me know if any of these are like cheaper or more expensive or outrageous. You know, I always love to compare like my state to like California state or something like that. So just let me know down below also. And then be sure to subscribe and hit that notification because every time I post, you won't be late to the party. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.